earthy, ancient. For over 4,000 years, turmeric has been called the golden healer. From Ayurvedic medicine to modern science, this humble root holds a world of healing inside. Let's uncover what makes turmeric one of nature's most powerful gifts. It all began in ancient India. Turmeric, or haldi, was more than a spice. It was medicine, and even a sacred symbol of purity. In traditional Ayurvedic texts, turmeric was used to heal wounds, balance energy, and strengthen the body's life force. Centuries later, science finally began to catch up, and the world discovered curcumin, the golden compound behind turmeric's magic. Curcumin is turmeric's active ingredient, a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powerhouse. It blocks molecules that trigger inflammation in the body, the same ones linked to chronic pain, arthritis, and even aging. Regular turmeric intake may help reduce inflammation, support brain health, and protect the heart. But here's the catch. Curcumin isn't easy for our bodies to absorb. That's why ancient healers paired it with black pepper, whose compound piperine boosts absorption by up to 2,000%. Adding turmeric to your routine can be simple and powerful. Here's how it helps your body heal from the inside out. For your brain, curcumin supports healthy neurons, boosts serotonin and dopamine, and may even protect against Alzheimer's disease. For your heart, it improves blood vessel function and helps regulate cholesterol. For your joints, turmeric eases stiffness and reduces pain from inflammation. And for your skin, its antioxidants brighten your glow and protect from damage. It's truly healing from the inside out. So, how can you bring turmeric into your life? You can use it as a spice, a supplement, or a soothing drink. Try adding half a teaspoon to your morning smoothie, soup, or tea. For deeper healing, make a cup of golden milk, turmeric, black pepper, and a touch of coconut oil. Together, they help your body absorb curcumin naturally. Consistency matters more than quantity. A little each day can make a golden difference. Even nature's medicine needs mindfulness. High doses of turmeric or curcumin supplements may interfere with certain medications. So always talk to your healthcare provider before making big changes. For most people, using turmeric in food is safe and deeply healing. From ancient temples to modern kitchens, turmeric has carried one message through time: healing is harmony. When we honor nature's wisdom, our bodies remember how to heal. So next time you see that golden spice, remember, inside it lies a story thousands of years old.